Next topic is electric dipole. What is the electric dipole? A pair of a pair of two equal and opposite charges is called electric dipole. This is the definition of electric dipole. A pair of two equal and opposite charges is called electric dipole. Minus q plus q. These are the opposite and equal charges situated at a small distance. Small distance here 2a. This distance is very small. So this arrangement is called electric dipole. A pair of two equal and opposite charges put very close to each other. So this form is called electric dipole. This is the definition. Clear? Electric dipole moment. What is the electric dipole moment? The product of, it is the only definition, the product of magnitude of one charge, magnitude of one charge and distance between them. So it is called electric dipole moment. From the diagram, we take the magnitude of plus 2 charge here. It is represented by p vector. It is a vector quantity. P vector is equal to magnitude of a charge. Magnitude is always in positive, so we take the positive charge into, here this is not a cross product, it is a simple product, q into distance between them. Distance between them is 2a. So the product of magnitude of one charge into distance between them is called electric dipole moment. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Clear? Unit of it, unit coulomb into meter. Mostly we see this type of unit. This is not a centimeter, this is a coulomb meter. Clear? Coulomb meter is the unit of the electric dipole moment. Next, dimension. Dimension of it is, we know that dimension of charge 0011. Clear? Here 2 is the pure number, so no dimension of a pure number. A is a meter and 2a is the total distance, so distance L1, M0, L1, T1, A1. It is the dimension of electric dipole moment. Clear? Now we have to calculate. Electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. Electric field intensity due to a electric dipole. This topic is very important. Electric field intensity due to a electric dipole, there are two conditions. electric field intensity due to a electric dipole. First is at axis. This is the first condition. When the board says in the examination that find out the electric field intensity at the axis of the electric dipole, clear? Then at the axis we take a firstly electric dipole A, B, here -2 put on the A, +2 put on the B. Distance between them is 2A. This is the center which is represented by O. Here this distance is A, this distance is A. We consider that a point P, which distance from the O is R. This is the point P, where we have to calculate electric field intensity. Electric field intensity due to a electric dipole. This is the electric dipole. Clear? Due to this, we have to calculate electric field intensity at here, at point P. Then we know that due to a +2 charge, the direction of electric field, due to a +2 charge, the direction of electric field is E1, because the direction of electric field due to a positive charge is always outside the charges. Due to the -2 charge, due to the -2 charge, the direction of electric field is E2. You can show that here, E2 here. There is no problem. Clear? Now, distance between B and P, total distance O to P is R. Clear? This distance is A, then distance between B to P is R minus A. Distance between B to P, here R plus A. Clear? So, electric field due to a point charge, due to a point charge +2 at P, E1 is equal to KQ, here +Q upon distance between them R minus A, R minus A square. Here use the direction B to P, B to P. This is the equation number first. Electric field due to a point charge which is -Q at P, E2 vector, the nature of charge is here is negative, then -KQ, distance between A and P is R plus A, R plus A square, the direction is P to A, P to A. This is the second equation. Now we use the only x-axis. This is the origin. In this direction only plus x-axis, in this direction only minus x-axis. So here no angle, only 0 degree angle is making between them. So we add the total electric field E is equal to E1 vector plus E2 vector. Clear? Now I erase the diagram. Put the value of E1 and E2 kq upon r minus a square plus minus r plus a square. Next, E vector is equal to kq common q upon 4 pi epsilon. Next, here you will have the vector here because both side is not vector running. So 1 upon r minus a square minus 1 upon r plus a square. LCM is only that q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus a square whole square r plus a square minus r minus a square. E is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square plus a square plus 2ar minus r square minus a square plus 2ar r square minus a square whole square. These are the cancel. So E is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 4ar r square minus a square whole square. Clear? Here r is much greater than a, then a square will be neglected. So E is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught a square negligible, then 4ar upon r to the power 4. Here E is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 4a upon r cube. Next, you can write E is equal to, here 4 you write here 2, q into में q into 2a upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. We know that q into 2a is equal to p, then A is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is called k, then 2 kp upon r cube. In vector form is equal to E vector 2 kp vector upon r cube. This is the electric field intensity due to electric dipole. Thank you so much.